The best enamel dinnerware set for camping. Camping is a fun way to get away from the everyday routine and enjoy nature. One thing that can make the experience even better is having quality dinnerware. There are a lot of different types of camping dinnerware out there, but this video will focus on the best enamel dinnerware set for camping. Some things to consider when purchasing enamel dinnerware for camping are the materials it is made of and whether or not it will withstand being outdoors. Number 1. Stansport Deluxe 24-piece Tableware Set. One of the best dinnerware sets for camping is Stansport's 24-piece set, made with stainless steel edges and a durable double-glazed enamel finish. It comes in bright colors, making it fun as well as practical. The set includes plates, bowls, mugs, spoons, knives, and forks for a complete package. It is sufficient for use by a family of 4. It's lightweight and compact, making it easily portable in a backpack or vehicle. Enjoy every meal in the great outdoors with the classic look of the Stansport 24-piece enamel camping tableware set. This charming set is ready for any meal and features metal construction with a beautiful enamel finish and stainless steel edges. Complete 24-piece set. This 24-piece set includes 4 cups, 12 ounces, 4 soup bowls, 6 inches, 4 plates, 10.25 inches, 4 knives, 4 forks and 4 spoons. Number 2. Wealers Unique Complete Messware Kit Polish Stainless Steel Dishes Set. If you're looking for a high-grade stainless steel set that will last indefinitely, Wealers Messware Kit could be the one. It comes with a complete set for 4. The plates, bowls, and cups are packed in separate mesh bags, and all of them fit into a compact carrying bag. It might sound a bit bulky for camping, but it's truly great for storage and for taking account of all the items that come in this set. The plates and bowls will suffice for serving all types of food, while the stainless steel cups can be used for hot or cold beverages. Its versatility is a great companion to its unmatched durability. This set comes with the ability to be set up and used for 4 people. This mess kit was made exclusively out of high-quality stainless steel material and is good for anyone that needs to host 2 or 4 guests for a meal. The package includes 4 cups 10 ounces, 4 plates 8.5 inches, 4 bowls 6 inches, and 4 cutlery 7 inches, knives, spoons and fork. Number 3. COTOM Stainless Steel Camping Set. This set contains everything you need and perhaps more for successful meals while camping. Using the collapsible multifunctional bucket, you can store your dishes, carry them to the campsite, grab water, or wash the set pieces. Along with the compact bucket, the set includes plates, bowls, cups, and sauce plates. It contains enough pieces for the entire family, and the versatile bucket comes as a cherry on top. Unfortunately, you will have to purchase flatware separately. All the tableware pieces are made of stainless steel, so maximum durability is guaranteed. Multifunction folding bucket. Our folding bucket can accommodate all the tableware, which can conveniently store tableware and save camp space. The folding bucket has a capacity of 10 liters, with a 6-meter water rope and a handle. It is convenient for camping to carry, store, heat water, and wash dishes. Number 4. Deluxe 24-piece Enamel Tableware Set. 4 sets of steel spoons, knives, and forks, 4 10.25-inch plates, 4 6-inch bowls, 4 12 ounces mugs, made with beautiful double-coated glazed enamel and high-quality, durable steel with brilliant stainless steel edges. Ideal for family camping, a picnic, recreational vehicles, or home kitchen use. This camping enamelware provides 4 full sets of dishes and silverware for campers, travelers, or anyone who loves cooking and eating food. Set the perfect table with your favorite camp equipment. Add this camping enamelware to your supplies alongside your sleeping bag, pots and pans, cooler, travel stove, plastic fold tables, and any other cookware for your trip. Use the mug to have a nice cup of coffee to watch the sunrise from your car. Have a bowl of cereal or plate of eggs and enjoy your time in nature with this set. Find the zen of your kitchen from the great outdoors. Number 5. 24-piece Enamel Dinnerware Set, Red Color. Serve up your favorite foods around the campfire or portable stove with the Coleman 24-piece Enamel Dinnerware Set. Made of double-fired enamel and featuring a timeless red speckled design, this outdoor dinnerware set offers classic style and durability and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This 24-piece set includes 4 10-inch dinner plates, 4 12-ounce coffee mugs with handles, and 4 6-inch bowls, making it a great choice for family meals at picnics, BBQs, and campsites. It also includes a silverware kit with 4 plastic handled forks, spoons, and knives stored in a convenient roll-up pouch for easy organization and storage. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.